Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Starla Soulmate Drawing feature in the app. After you must have installed the app from your app store on Apple, you've downloaded and you have subscribed, you have upgraded to a paid plan, then you can use the Find the Soulmates feature where it draws the soulmates for you. So you get this interface on your paid plan and you use the third one, Find Your Soulmates. That's where you activate the soulmate drawing feature. Now this is what it does. It does a compatibility score, generates your soulmate chart and gives you lots of details. And this is part of the details that it's going to give you. After giving you the initial details, it's going to unlock a few more things subsequently. Now similar vibes will be unlocked in an hour time. Life Together unlocks in a day. The hard part unlocks in 2 days. Let me show you the long list of what you're gonna get. So yeah, that's how it is. And when it's done that, you can also chat with your soulmates. Now this is an example of a chat. The AI responds to you and the chat goes on. You can always navigate back to this page where you can do some more. Soulmates chat, ask Starla anything. You can do some tarot reading, daily horoscope, dream interpretation, romantic advice, and friend advice. That's basically how to use the Starla Soulmate Drawing feature. Try it today and let me know what you've got. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.